Join us at Mercado González and Northgate González markets for a unique culinary experience with cocineras tradicionales from Mexico. This week, we are honored to welcome Benedicta Alejo Vargas, a renowned cocinera tradicional from San Lorenzo, Michoacán, as she teaches us how to make corundas, a traditional Purepecha-style tamal wrapped in fresh corn leaves. Benedicta worked with our molino and our produce team to handpick all the ingredients for this special class. During this class, you won't just learn a recipe, you will learn how to work with your senses as cocineras tradicionales do when they're creating their dishes that represent their region and the soul of their cocina. These classes are free and you can register for them on the link on my bio. So make sure not to miss out on this beautiful opportunity to celebrate Mexican food traditions, learn from Mexico's most respected cocineras tradicionales, and connect with your community.